Alright guys, I'm doing a review. This is Earth's Own So Fresh Oats. I've been meaning to get this one, but it's always more expensive than the regular almond. But it was I finally had a chance. So it's gluten-free. Take a look. Source of fiber, excellent calcium, gluten-free oats, as you can see there. And here's the nutrient panel. Take a look. So it's got 6 grams of sugar, does have calcium. They do fortify it, so 1 cup is 250, and protein is 4 grams. That's not bad. So what we got here is oat. We got some canola oil, as you can see there, you got your vitamins in there. Oh, there's a little bit of amylase in there. That's kind of cool. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Like I said, I've been meaning to get this one, but it's always more expensive, so let's try this out. Eager to try it out. This is the unsweetened. Alright, so take a look. That's what the consistency looks like. Okay, let's do a quick taste test. Ooh, that's good. So it's like it's not overly thick, and it's not like coconut milk. It's more in between coconut and rice, so it has that nice sort of taste to it. It's slightly sweet, very slight. It has a sort of like a vanilla taste to it. Other than that, it's pretty good. It's one of the better ones, I think. It ranks up there, so definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.